So let's start by creating a new project, and we'll import some data into this new project. So on the start page, you can either go to File, or you can use the Quick Access toolbar and click on the Quick New, or this New command up here. You can also open a project from here, but what we want to do is we want to click on this button here and create a new project. This will launch the window that has our project templates. Now these project templates, the ones you see here, ship with Business Center, and they're set up based on a particular unit or a particular use or workflow. So if you're working in international foot, you might want to select this template, international foot scale only. You can select this one. You can do metric here, metric scale only. If you're using a Trimble UX5 solution template, you could choose this one. If you're working in US survey feet, US survey foot scale only, takeoff, if you're doing a takeoff, you might want to start with this one. Or utilities, if you're going to do utilities. Now again, we're in the viewer, so a lot of this we may not have access to be able to create utilities or have the ability to draw information, but the data that we're given and are going to import in may be in one of these units and may have that data such as utility. So you could select that to start with. We're going to keep it simple. I'm going to start with this US survey foot. So I'm going to click on that. And if you use this all the time, you can set that as the default. So you'll notice up here it says blank template default. If I use this new up here, it would use this template when it starts the project. So in that case, I wouldn't necessarily have the settings already predefined if I was using US foot. So I'm going to maybe set that to default because that's the one that I want to use on a regular basis. And I'm just going to click OK. And that's going to start and create a new project. And you can see when it does that, it's automatically going to go to a plan view. So in the plan view, you'll see over in Project Explorer, I have some areas where I've imported files or I've got points. Now I don't have any data in here yet, but once I do, this information will get populated.